Good afternoon, students. Let us continue with Unit 2 Family Health Services. Today we are going to see the next topic, Family Health Nursing Process. Nursing process is not a new term for you all. Already in first year, second year, third year, you have written so many nursing care plans and nursing process in various subjects like medical, surgical, child health. But today we are going to see what is the difference between community nursing process or family nursing process. There you assess the patient in the hospital, not in a family. But here in community, we do the assessment phase in the family. We are going door to door. We are going into the family and we are going to assess the whole family, all family members. How is the family environment? What are the physical conditions of the family? The hygienic aspects of the family? Everything. The comprehensive, the whole area we are going to assess. Then we will be doing the planning phase. We will prioritize the needs and problems what we have already noted from the family and we will plan. Further, we move to the implementation phase. With the available resources, what we can do for the family, how we can implement the plannings what we have already done. And last, we have to evaluate. This was the problem and this we have planned and we have provided this. Now what is the condition? We will be evaluating how much it has been cured or how much it has been relieved. Further what we can do. So the evaluation phase. So the basic steps are the same in the nursing process: assessment phase, planning phase, implementation and evaluation. In this particular slide, you can see that in assessment phase, the family identification phase. This is the first level of assessment. When you are going into a family, first you will be introducing yourself and through the observation technique, through observation, you will be asking some of the data. You will be writing some of the things. All the things no need to ask them. You can even observe also what is the condition of the family, the toilet facilities, hygienic facilities, the personal hygiene of the person, those who are present in the family. So first we have to go for the data collection. We have to there is a plan of data collection. Data collection methods and techniques. I hope already you have covered. You may be knowing by this time in final year what are the different types of data collection. Methods like observation technique, you'll be asking questionnaires. So through all this you will be collecting the data and you will be analyzing the data and you will be making the family profile and diagnosis. Once you analyze, what do you mean by analyze? What do you mean by observation and analyzing? Observation means you will be going and just seeing what are the things and you are noting it down. Analyzing means the things what you have observed, you are going to analyze, you are going in depth. You are going to analyze and find out where are the problems, what are the needs and problems. So that will be done and finally you will be going for the diagnosis. So this is about the assessment phase. Moving further into the planning phase. In the planning phase you can see family health and nursing care plan formulation. So here you will be analysis of diagnosed health problems and assessment of family's ability. We are going to analyze the diagnosed health problems. Already there may be some health problems like diabetes mellitus, hypertension, cardiac problems, malnutrition. There may be some already diagnosed problems. Along with that, assessment of family's ability also. What is the family ability to cope up with that particular condition? And establishing priorities. What are the family problems? What are the individual problems? Which should be given more priority? Then we will be setting the goals and objectives. Then formulating the family health and nursing care plan. In the further classes, I will clearly explain you. I'll give you some of the examples also how the diagnosis will be, community diagnosis. In community, we will not be using the medical terms because in medical, surgical and pediatrics, we used to use medical terminologies while we do the diagnosis. When we write the nursing care plan, we use the diagnosis or the medical words. But here, there may be minute problems like there may be overweight, there may be slight variation in the nutrition level of the family. There may be lack of knowledge only. There may be some problem in the environmental sanitation. So these small types of problem, this we have to identify, and this is what we are going to be telling us community problems or the family health problems. So we have to use simple language, in a simple layman language we have to use. Moving further in the action phase, the phases are the same as I have told you, same in the nursing care plan. Family health and nursing care plan implementation. Whatever we have planned, here we will be reviewing and revising it again. Once more we will go through whether the planning is correct or not. Then with whatever facilities or whatever resources we are having at the work environment, in the family what we have, with the local facilities, we will be able to deliver the particular care to the family. And we will be implementing how much we have planned. We will be maximum try to implement with the local resources what we have, and finally we'll go for the documentation. Whatever we have done, we'll document. And the last is the evaluation phase. We will be evaluating what all problems we have planned, we have prioritized, and whatever care we have planned, whether we have implemented or not. We will be evaluating it, and we will be re-evaluating what can be done further. If it is not reduced, what we can do further, and if it is reduced, what should be the next step, what should be the follow-up, when it can be done further. So these are the main phases of the family health nursing process. Assessment phase, here we identify the family identification and all the basic level assessment. Next is planning phase, where we plan the health problems and we'll prioritize, and we'll start clearly, we'll be setting the goals and objectives. Next is action phase, where we start implementation. Whatever we have planned with the local resources or the available resources, we'll be starting to implement. And finally we have to evaluate, even the concurrent and the terminal evaluation also. That's what I told, maybe follow-up should be done, or if it is not improved, what can be done next, the re-evaluation.